Hey everybody. Well, the students in hydraulic engineering CE 331 had an exam today, Friday, February 27th. So there's no lecture video for today's class meeting, but in case you're interested to attempt one of the questions from the exam, here's problem number 3. This is using a Moody diagram, as you can see. So if you want to try one of these problems from their exam, put your answer in the comment and then I'll let you know if you got it correct. So as a couple of hints, there are some intermediate things that you need to calculate to determine this. You can see on the horizontal axis, that's the Reynolds number. And so the way I always calculate the Reynolds number is it's the velocity times the diameter divided by the kinematic viscosity. And if you're given the flow rate and the pipe diameter, you're going to need to calculate the cross-sectional area of the pipe in order to find the flow velocity. So V equals Q divided by A. So those are a couple of hints on how you could find the Reynolds number. So go ahead and put your comment, the answer to the problem if you want to give it a try. And the students in the class will probably get their exams on Monday or Wednesday. So shouldn't be too long.